Cut. Cut.
Hi, shellbower here. Long time no see. It's been a while since I did a YouTube, but I thought I'd come back. And I'd like to focus on new projects and take the channel in a different direction this time. And I hope you'll follow me by clicking on the like and subscribe and the little bell so that you get told every time I put something up for you. So today we're going to start with my exploding box, which I actually made, and I put it up on my Facebook page and my blog, and people were asking questions, so it's an ideal place to start. So this is it, all nicely packed up. And if we take our ribbon off, remove the lid, and then it just folds open, and you've got 4 little boxes that you can get some Ferrero Rochers in, limp balls, or you could put some jewellery in. You can do whatever you like with it, but I'm going to show you how to make this today. So for this exploding box, I've used this set of dies, and I will leave a link below for you. We're going to need one of these, which is going to make the lid of our box. We need 4 of these, which make the bottom of our little boxes. We need 4 of these, which make the lid for the little box. We need 4 of these, which is going to build the side of our box. And it's not a die, it's just a piece of card that you need to cut at 4 1/8 by 4 1/8. So now we can make our box. Please watch to the end of this video, as there is a bonus on how to make another box using the same dies. So now to make the box. Just before I start, I'm just going to go over what we needed again. 1 of these, which is our lid. We need 4 of these, which are the bum to our box. We need 4 of these, which is going to be our little lid. We need 4 of these, which are the sides to our box. And that piece of 4 1/8 by 4 1/8, which is the bottom of our box. And to save time, I've made 3 of my boxes, but I am going to show you how to put the box together. So let's do our burnishing and put our box together. Right, so now we've got our lid, our little box, our bum, and these pieces that we adhere to here to build our box. We need 4 of these, but they're like this. But because we're making the exploding box and we're going to pop that there, we don't need this side piece. So we need to chop this side piece off all 4. So I'm just going to chop that off. That's our 4 pieces. That's our base. Now I'm going to stick my lid, my box and my base together. A little tip, just make sure that you line them up so they're nice on your corners. Another tip, let it dry before you stick it on the top. I'm going to bring our piece of card in. And again, we're looking to have it flush. Now we've got our box for the small ones. Give that a little while to dry. You could, if you wanted to, stick a piece of pretty paper in the middle. And the tip now is when you're sticking your boxes down, to make sure you stick them down on the same side, because if you stick that one down there and you stick that one down there, when you shut them they're not going to work. So, glue again. Right to the corner. And how I remember a tip is I turn it, so I'm always sticking it in that corner. You can just check that you're doing it right. I would give them a little while to dry, but for speed, I'm just going to pop my lid on. My ribbon in. I've got way too much ribbon, but I'd rather have too much ribbon than not enough. I can always cut it off when I've finished. Going to do that like that. Then we're going to flip it over. And you would tidy your ends up. That would be your finished box. So then you give it to somebody and take it off, and then you would have filled it with nice chocolates or something for them to have. As I said, this is a lovely die, makes a lovely box, and you'll be pleased to know they ship worldwide, so check the link below. As a bonus, this was the exploding box we just made. I'm going to show you how to make the solid box. And for the solid box you just need the lid, the 4 little tabs, and the bottom, the 4 1/8 by 4 1/8. So we're not die cutting the 4 little boxes, bottoms and tops. We just want a lid and 4 pieces to build. because on the exploding boxes we cut this tab off every single one of these. This time we don't. So I'm just going to put my lid together. And on this lid I've put a nice piece of paper on the top. Bring our base in. But I think the tip for this is to get all your pieces that are going to stick around like this. Line them up. So we've made our box, and then I would just around the edge and nice bottom one. That'll rub in there. And then we have a solid box. So now you can have a solid box or an exploding box, and we could put a piece of ribbon on. So thank you for watching. Bye.